Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to write a case statement along with some function in SQL. So first I will show my table and requirement. I have one table called transaction table, transaction underscore table. So which contains 4 columns. So ID, department, amount and transaction date. This table tells us how much amount does a company spend on each department, on which date the company spent on the department. So I want to get the report, quarter-wise report, and also some of the department-wise expenditure that are spent by the company. So finally, my output should be in this way: quarter, so IT expenditure, HR expenditure, finance expenditure, and other expenditure. So if you see the table, I have 4 departments: IT, HR, marketing, and finance. So other than these 3 departments, I will consider the other expenditure. So finally, my output should be in this way. So for that, I need to write a case statement. Okay, first I will show the case statement in Notepad. Later I will show in the command line client. Okay, select case when. So quarter means each year has 4 quarters. So between first 3 months we will consider the Q1, and from 4 to 6 months as the Q2, like that. So for that I am using one function called extract function. So what extract function will do? Extract is one of the date function. Extract, it is extracting the, suppose I am using quarter from current date means today's date. If I execute the query, you will get 1. That means first quarter. If you execute the month here instead of quarter, I am putting just month. You will get 2. You get the day 17th. Okay, February. So this is how this extract function will work. So I am using this extract function in writing the case statement. Okay, case when extract, case when extract. So here I am extracting the month from the column name. What is the column name here? Trans underscore date. Trans underscore date. Trans underscore date. This is the column. I want to extract the month from this date between 1 and 3. Then I am considering as a Q1. Okay. This is my first case statement. So I am writing the 3 more case statements. Conditions. When I'm changing this between 4 and 6, then it considers the Q2. It's a Q3, 7, 8, 9. 7 and 9. Q4 I'm considering as a 10 and 12. Okay. This is the case statement. End as, every case statement should end with end. As I am taking quarter is the column. I am writing the sum. So if you want to get the department wise sum, so you have to write directly. Select DEPT, select DEPT, comma, sum of amount. Sum of amount from this table. Transaction underscore table. Group by DEPT. So that you will get department wise sum of the expenditure that is spent by the company on different departments. But here we want to get the quarter wise also. For that sake, first we will take the case statement on to get the quarter wise, and now I am writing this sum, comma, case when department. So here my column is DEPT, just DEPT. Department equal to IT, then amount, then amount. Department is equal to IT, then amount, then amount, else, else 0 end. Okay. As so in my table it is IT expenditure. It is the column name. IT expenditure. Okay. This is the first case statement, comma. Now I am writing three more case statements. If the department equal to HR, then amount end with self, it is HR expenditure. And department is finance, then amount it is say finance expenditure. Now last case statement here. So other than these two, we consider the other expenditure. But you need to write the condition here where department not in. Where department not in. Not in. So mention all your departments. IT, HR, finance. Considering it as a other expenditure. Then amount else 0 and consider the other expenditure. So this is this table. Transaction underscore table. So here, whenever you use any aggregate function in the select statement along with other column, you have to use the group by class. So here I am grouping on quarter wise. Group by quarter. Group by this quarter. We don't have any separate column. I am using this column as a in group by class. So this is the statement. So I'm trying to execute this statement command line client. See, this is how the I want the report also. Quarter wise Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, IT expenditure and HR expenditure, finance expenditure and other expenditure. So if you observe the base table here, the base table starts from transaction underscore table. So why this IT department it do not have any company did not spend any expenditure on quarter 3 means no expenditure IT department has spent between July and September. If you see the IT departments, so it is from for first one is January and third one is this one is May and last one is October. So that it will show 0 like that HR expenditure and finance expenditure and other expenditure. So this is how you need to write a case statement along with some function, your column value as per the requirement. If you want to get some of the department wise expenditures, some then you can go with directly you can write with sum of amount department group by department. So here we want quarter wise department, quarter wise report that company has spent in different departments. In this scenario, you can write both case statement and some function to get the required output. So this is how you need to write the case statement along with some function. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.